I'm one of the founding faculty members of the College of Dental Medicine. I began as a faculty here in 2008, so 14 years ago. I am a faculty and an administrator. I teach oral maxillofacial pathology in the dental school, and I also am the academic dean for the College of Dental Medicine. So our students and our mission really is about giving back to the community. So whether it's a student club or it's our actual patient care center, we're giving back in many ways. We're either educating or we're providing care, and we're helping bridge that gap for access to care by doing so. So whether it's locally in Pomona or in our outreach beyond, we are giving back in many ways. I was a faculty at University Pacific and also a resident and faculty fellow at University of North Carolina, so I've seen other health sciences campuses and how they operate, and at WesternU just the humanistic mission and the connections that we have with each other are a little bit different. And so because we're small, we actually have right opportunity to really work together, and many of us, we came here because of the mission and vision, and I think that's what's unique about WesternU. It's kind of that small town family feel that we have here. Well, the pandemic really brought it to the forefront, but we know that there are healthcare disparities that are across many different ethnicities, and having access to care is so important. Even if you don't have health insurance, you should have access to care. It's a right and a privilege, and so by providing care at many of the places that our students do provide care, we're actually helping that and hopefully diminish those healthcare disparities that we see across a lot of ethnicities. And so we are addressing that by building healthcare providers who have that pull to go to those communities and give back. You don't see that at all healthcare institutions, but that's one thing that I think that sets us apart and resonates with many of our students and our faculty as well, to be able to do that and bridge that gap in the healthcare disparities that we are observing. You know, it takes a village to raise a kid, but it also takes a village to provide healthcare and create healthcare providers. So by giving, we are supporting both faculty and students, as well as our patients in the community. So no matter what you're giving, it's supporting others. And I think it's important to make sure that we do so to have equity in education as well as equity in healthcare. So students are our future. They're going to be the face of WesternU. So if we can give them a scholarship or we give them some other opportunity to not have as much cost of their education, then they're more likely to turn around and give back. So by giving to them, we're actually giving to others. So I think that's really important, to provide scholarships and other mechanisms to help offset the cost of this education. And again, it's, you give one to one person and it's paying it forward. I see it as another way to pay forward. I give to WesternU because I believe in the mission and the vision of who we are at WesternU. I believe healthcare in an interprofessional setting is important. And so if I can give a student a leg up to be able to finish their program and manage, the daily costs that we live through, I feel that is a win-win. Having been a non-traditional student, I know that there's a value by giving somebody that special scholarship or something else to help them through the process. So I provide a scholarship in my mother's name to be able to help a student who's like her, and actually build on what my mother gave to me, that want to give back to others. The scholarship is the Margaret Montanti Scholarship, and so that scholarship is really for a female student who gives back to the community and helps women grow and become better in their community. And so a lot of our students do those things through their clubs and their other types of outreach that they do. And so that embodies what my mother aspired to be, as somebody who gave back to her community on a daily basis without even thinking about it. And a lot of our students do that, and it's just exciting to see that they also have that spirit.